Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making the new console internet ready and signed into your account. This is how the store and license checks work. Once connected, open the eShop or account area to trigger primary activation. This assigns digital licenses to this hardware. If you can, power on the old console now and go to its account settings to deactivate it, or log into your account on the web to manage devices. Doing this first prevents license conflicts and lost downloads later. You now perform the core switch. Open the eShop under your user profile. The system usually marks the first activated console as primary, so launching the store often completes activation. If it doesn't, go to Account Management in Settings, find Deregister or Change Primary Console, and follow prompts. This forces license reassignment. Once primary, begin redownloading games, and make sure save data is transferred or backed up to the cloud if included. This avoids interrupted play and missing progress. You finish by verifying the new console is listed as primary in your account settings, then test a small download or reopen an owned game to confirm licenses apply. If something blocks downloads, immediately deactivate the old console from account management and retry. Often the issue is a lingering activation. Make sure your login credentials are correct, and be patient. Changes can take a few minutes to propagate. If problems persist, contact support with account details and error messages for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.